are starting from this monument of an eagle. Its title is The Eagle Tormenting the Snake. We are about to enjoy a walk around this nice place. There are several nice installations here. This one is the fisherman. This is a natural lake and it's inhabited by fish, but sure, fishing is forbidden here, but swimming is allowed. There are several areas for that, separate area for kids and a long line of dogs. The water is clean and warm. There is a workout area as well. It's morning of a business day, so there are few people here. There are many more sportsmen here on the weekends. There are a lot of cute and comfortable areas where you can rest, enjoy the views and flavors of the forest. I also really like how the branding of this place has been done here. The drinking mug is the calling card of this place. Very cute and memorable. There are a number of passes you can take, through the forest to town center or to the Farum Square and further around the lake. There is a map. And one more nice installation, named A Couple in Love. So cute. This is a cascade staircase. It's 860 meters long, and the height difference is almost 150 meters. I will take it next time. We are looking at Farum Square. The name of town Железноводск means iron water, which sources were discovered here in 19th century. And Farum is iron in the chemical table of Mendeleev. That's why the square is called that. Various concerts and fests are often held here. Also, you can see names of other chemical elements here. A rescue station. How cute! The art object, a piano in the bush. This is a Gulliver's Island. Very interesting place. Let's take a closer look. This is a romantic spot, the Bridge of Hearts in Love. One of the spectacular sights is Gulliver's Island. On it there are miniature copies of the Caucasian mineral waters, mountains. You can see Mashuk, Железная, Медовая, Snake, Развалка, Бештау from all sides. Let's have a look. This is Mount Железная. It's where we are currently now. Mount Mashuk is located in Pyatigorsk, 20 kilometers from here. QR codes are all around here, so you can read more about installations. That's very convenient. Mount Bestau, 1,400 meters height. It has 5 tops, that's why town Pyatigorsk got its name, which means 5 mountains. Mount Medovaya means honey mountain, the history of which began as a result of neogen volcanism. Got its name due to the yellow shade of the rocks that have holes like bee honeycombs. Snake Mountain. This mountain was named so because its slopes were all cut by narrow winding ravines and ditches, which from afar resembled crawling snakes. Bronze lady is having rest as well here. There is a large kids area. On the left side and further, there are lots of benches and comfy places to have a picnic or just to read a book in the shade of the trees. View of Mount Железная. You can ride the subsurfs as well. docks on this side of the lake are unfortunately inaccessible today due to technical work. On normal days, the laydown is very cozy. There is pleasant lounge music playing all around, by the way. So guys, hope you liked our walk. See you in next video.